I'm extremely happy to join this conversation on product-centric and human-centric. I think a year into the COVID, now is the time to raise the good questions. Did we raise that crisis? Can we really build back better, as we say on that side of the Atlantic? Can we build green, as you say, in Europe? Can we make something different? And I think it's crucial that we have this conversation, and very timely that we have this conversation today in Italy. I'm very excited to share my thoughts with you. I think 50 years ago, Milton Friedman, the great economist, posited that the social purpose of business was profit, was to increase its profits. And he established profit as an end-to-end end, and everything has been built according to that. Our accounting standards, the way we pay people, the fiduciary duties of money managers, and so on and so forth. Now is the time to upgrade our operating system and move to a different spot, and I'd be very happy to share these ideas with you. Thank you very much, and looking forward to our meeting.